Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's today talk about this Rage coffee. Now, I have used this a few times before, so I wanted to share it with you when I got this from the brand. Now, I got this package of four different coffee variants in a pack. This coffee is a very high quality coffee. It is made up of 100% Arabica beans. It is infused with awesome natural flavorings. The coffee is by itself gluten free and vegan friendly. There are no added preservatives, no sugars, no bad stuff at all. So you can enjoy your coffee without any guilt. The best part about this coffee is that it can be mixed so easily with hot and cold water that you don't have to worry about brewing it first and then mixing or doing anything like that. So I enjoy having this coffee, and getting this small little pack, which is like a shot, is so good to just throw it in your bag and then go about your day. So I haven't used this as yet because one cup in the morning keeps me good on caffeine. So a cup of coffee would give you 90 to 120 milligrams of caffeine in one serving, which is really good. So I like to have my coffee like iced coffee, black coffee. So the flavors that I got were four. The first one that I got was Irish hazelnut. um, this had a slight sweetish and a smoky flavor to it, and I really loved it. The second one that my husband really loved was this flavor right here. This is again, all the coffees are very strong. This is creme caramel. The third one that again my husband's really loved is butterscotch delight. However, my favorite, by far the most favorite in its flavor, is this dark chocolate coffee. I'll show you how I make my coffee and how I enjoy my coffee every morning. So this is right, the first thing after I wake up, I do this. I just take one spoonful of coffee. I'm taking a small teaspoon of this coffee. These are nice little crystals that do not need a lot of mixing, or it is not very difficult for it to mix in cold milk sometimes, or cold water for that matter. So what I basically do is I just take a spoonful of it, put it in a little bit of water, make a concoction, and it's very easy to make that. I mean, I just mix it for about 10 seconds and it dissolves really fast. Then in a glass full of ice, I'll just pour my coffee concentrate, and this is really nice, and it gives you such a nice kick that you can keep on going for the whole day. So once I have my coffee concoction in, there goes a little more water, and then I let it sit for next 2 minutes so that my ice starts melting. I like my coffees really cold. So this is my most favorite way to get coffee. So I'm gonna enjoy my coffee. This is the first thing, as I said, I do in the morning, and enjoy that cake throughout the day. It really wakes me up and gives me energy throughout the day. It helps me improve my concentration. Um, so if you want to get this coffee, I'm gonna link the link in the description box. So do check it out. And as always, do subscribe to my channel, like to this video, and let's meet the next time. Bye bye.